Welcome back to the Woodland Reboot. You're essentially looking at the slab from where the main door, the main garage door will be. And here it is, everyone, the slab reveal. It's not perfect. It's not to the highest professional standard. But you know what? It's to a pretty good standard. And it works out really well. I'm super proud of this work. As you're going to see in a couple of upcoming videos, my kids helped out. And at the end of the day, if it wasn't for the rainwater collection system, this would not have been possible. I am off-grid here. I needed water to do this work, and it's worked out beautifully. Enjoy the video, everyone. What do I have on tap for today? Number one, as you can see over my right-hand shoulder, the foundation pad is essentially complete. Complete in the sense that it's been formed, it's been poured, and it's cured. Quite frankly, that has been a ton of work. I'm thrilled to have gotten to this stage, and now it's time to move forward. So what are the next steps in this process? The next steps include putting my blower to work and cleaning this pad off today. That's what you're going to see most of in this video. I'm going to get busy, get all the weights off of there, get the plastic sheets off of there. They've all done their job. This concrete is cured, and so now it's time to clean this up. Next, I have to apologize. I've been a little bit behind with posting my videos. I'm giving you this quick update today in terms of the current status of the foundation pad. What I'm going to be doing in the coming weeks is providing you with, I think, a couple videos. I think I'm going to break it down to 2 videos in terms of the actual work, the forming, the pouring of this pad. I'm going to provide it to you in 2 videos. I probably could have done it in 8, but 8 videos would have been a little bit too boring, I think. And that's going to be mainly the forming, and then the pouring of these 4 strips of concrete. Going to break that down into 2 videos. And what's coming in future? In terms of the future next steps for the pad itself, I have to anchor 21 of these saddles in the piers around the foundation to get ready for the actual construction of the building, to start to raise the walls and get ready for putting the ceiling on this sucker. So those are the next steps. Hope you're able to stay with me. Sorry for the delay in posting the videos, and hope you enjoyed today's video of just cleaning this up and getting ready for the next phase. And really the last thing to do before I clean off the foundation slab is to take off the forms for this last pour. plan will be to clean off these 2x6 by 16 foot longs and use them in the future build. Okay, there's a slight breeze. There's a slight breeze going that way. So we're going to blow all the dust that direction. Ooh, you don't like this. Go away. That's it for the slab foundation reveal. As I said earlier, I am proud of this work. It's not professional, but it will do the job. It'll more than do the job. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And as I mentioned earlier, I will be coming to you with a couple videos on the actual construction process of the slab. Everyone take care.